How to block adult sites in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the Google Chrome application over here. As you do that, make sure you're logged into your account as well. After logging into your account, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on Settings. Now scroll down and you can see the option of site settings over here. So just tap on site settings and then scroll down again. As you do that, here you can see there are no options to block such adult sites. So what you can do is go back and then tap on the privacy and security option. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of use secure DNS. So tap on it. And here you just need to tap on choose another provider and then tap on clean browsing family filter. So when you do that, you'll be able to block adult sites in Google Chrome. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.